There was only one candidate in that field besides Lauren and Barbara Lee that was legit, and that was Sue.
Fair enough, and I like her, and she had a shot. But everybody, as far as
I'm sorry, and Mindy. Let me not disrespect Mindy. I like Mindy, but she's not going to get elected. She's the freaking MAGA, bro.
Well, okay,
and
again, we're not disrespecting anybody. I mean, you're going to.
They have no shot to win. They have no shot to win. None of these people have a shot to win. Even if the media told you who they were, but I like Sue.
Hear me out, though. Hear me out. When you look at the numbers, the drop off with Suz, nobody even got close to that.
Nobody got over 1%, but Barbara or Lauren.
So what I'm saying is, you can say Suz. Anybody can say anybody could be in that slot, and I think a lot of it has to do with that the media only interviewed those two people. Politico.
They always do that.
But I'll say this. Okay, let's take Suz.
Yeah,
since they always know her, and and I respect her. Let's take her and let's take Lauren out. And let's say Politico starts doing Suz, right? Let's say the media Suz, right?
Still would have got 40-something thousand votes.
It wasn't the money, dude. It wasn't just
it wasn't. The media, this is a big part. The media is selecting people, and they're giving you the optics of who are the legitimate candidates.
And that's why I wanted to interview everybody, because everybody had, just like you, when you ran, everybody has to do the same stuff to get on the ballot. And that's why I'm like, look, everybody has a shot at this. Yes, of course, that's okay. I'm being unrealistic. Sure.
No, I understand. Mathematically, no, you're not wrong. You're not wrong.
Right. Yeah. But we agree. I agree with you. I'm just saying.